I just want to talk about micropets. I want to give you complete detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project you will be get in the video description. So you can check them all one by one before we start. A small disclaimer. This is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update from Zishan Hormuz, because I am never miss those projects who have a more and more potential in upcoming time. So let's get start recording micropets. So I just want to give some detail from the main title of this one project. You can see place take on means that this is a metaverse project and with the cutest NFTs on the BSC. So if you want to buy the Pets NFT, so simply also easy buy from the PancakeSwap, because you know this work on BSC network. That means you will be able to buy this one NFT with very low fees. And after that, if you look to this one, so you simply click on that. Right now I just want to open on the separate link and I'm just waiting for that, and after that you will be able to buy this one with the from PancakeSwap easily. And also if you want, so you simply buy this one from as well as from L Bank. And after that you can see right here, after that you will be able to buy this one token from here easily. You can see I'm just waiting for that. After that they will be directly open the PancakeSwap. How can you buy with the pair of BNB? So I'm just waiting for that. You can see Pets are right now on importing, so anyone can create a BP20 token on BSC with any name, including creating fake version of existing token and token that claim to represent project that do not have a token. If you purchase an arbitrary token, you may be unable to sell it back. But right now I am directly come from the main website of this one micropets. That's why I just want to click on that. I understand and import. After that you will be easily buy this one with the pair of BNB, so you can swap them easily. And after that it is too much important slippage. If you want to change the slippage for that, so you simply click on that, and right here you can see for example 14, and after that you simply click on the here, and after that just cross it, and you can see slippage is changed. And it is too much important to change the slippage, because whenever we have not able to buy any token from different slippage, so you must be change this slippage from different phases. So I just want to click on that. After that I just want to give you some about from micropets. So you can see Mets micropets, home to the cutest NFT on the BSC smart chain. We have taken your favorite memes to and packaged them up into adorable pets you can trade or stake. The rarer the micropets, the better the rewards. See, if you want to buy this one token, after that if you simply hold that, after that you will be able to get different type of reward from their side, because you know about that every token, every NFTs have a different type of reward for holder. So they also just want to distribute different type of rewards. So after that, if we look to main important points about that, you can see I just want to go and right here I just want to clarify from here. If we look to this point, you can see almost this is right now it is too much down, because if you look to in 24-hour down, you can see 16.5% right now down. If you want to simply participate in that, and I am recommended you must be participate in that. After that you can see it is also clarified from the certics, means that it is a very best project and you won't miss this project. And after that I just want to scroll down and I want to give some detail about the all-time high. You can see if you look to all-time high a 2 month ago is 89.5% right now off, and if you look to the 3 month ago, so you can see 1272.81% right now it is up in just in 3 months ago. So this project have a more and more potential in upcoming time. After that I just want to scroll down. You can see micropets runner P2E, means that play to earn game. This project has also P2E games, but this is not released yet. And you can see right here Micropits Runner will be classic side scrolling running where you will dodge monster and obstacle as you move faster and faster through the map. Collecting coin will earn you Micropits reward. Along the way you will grab power up to further increase your earning power of potentially save your life. The game is currently slotted for early 2022 release. So basically this is a game, and if you want to improve yourself in this game, so you simply go run and go fast in this one game. After that you will be able to gain different type of rewards. You can you will be play different type of gaming. If you run fast and if you run more and more in that game, that means you will be get a different type of and collect the different type of tokens and coins. So right here I just want to click on that and I want to give you some review about that. You can see right here this is a main display of this one game. You can see right here. I just want to cross them, and after that you can see this is a game, and you will be select different type of dogs, different type of micropits. They just want to give a different type of name, and snails, magnet and shield. There's a different type of who are gain in this game, so you will be able to get a different type of many rewards. So I just want to wait for that, and after that you can see they just want to click on that. Just they try to play the game and still on pending, but I'm just want to scroll here. You can see this is a level 1 and the dog is running, and you can see they just want to collect the different type of coins. You can see right here, and you can see after that you will be able, if you fast more and more in this one game, that means you will be get a more and more coins, and you will be collect different more and more coins from here. So this is overview of this one game, and you can see I just want to, so you can see right here this is a level 2 for that, and after that they are also still running and collect the coin. You can see collect almost 141 coins right here, and after that I just want to scroll down, and there is a different type of bubble who are don't attack anything in this time, and this is a magnet who are you can directly collect all the coins at a time. So this is our view of this one game. I just want to cross right now, and here our beta preview. The Micropits team has partnered with Cubix, a global app development company with specialists in both blockchain and game development. So they just want to also go toward the Cubix. So this is also too much important event for that, and meet the lineup. So we will got plenty on option for both large and small investors to grab their own Micropits. Hop on the D app and grab yourself a create. To get started, we have custom built the Micropits D app for rapid development, ensuring in continuous stream of content. So they just also want to some planning toward the enter to D app. So this is also too much important event for that. And after that I'm just want to scroll down. You can see baby Kishu Inu baby. I think you will be know about that because I am already review baby Shiba Inu and baby Kishu Inu. I am already make a complete video about this. So how it's work? So you can see to play simple buy and create on our shop using the Micropits D app. After purchasing you will unlock a random NFT, each with their own rarity and staking multiple. If you love your Micropits, you can stake him in our staking pool and earn reward. Wanting something else? That's fine, just put your Micropits up for sale on our marketplace. And after that if we look to special edition, so this is also too much important for that. If they just want to go and planning toward this special edition, they just want to also create a different type of season in their game. Right now you can see Micropits is built from the ground up to support special edition creator, enabling everything from holiday theme NFT to one off release based on current hype. Within the hypo what does this means? Repeat turn time to continuous stream of content development to the community. After that, tokenomics is also too much important. You know about that, because if you look to tokenomics, so how we directly understood that how can they distribute the main tokens in to holders. So you can see, if you look to buy tax is 2% and 5% liquidity pool marketing buyback, and sell tax is 2% liquidity pool and 5% is marketing and buying back. After that, this is a roadmap, and I'm already give you some detail about that at the start of this video. This project have a more and more potential. Why? So I'm just want to clear here. And if you look to roadmap is important because of we directly understood that what can they done in the past and what will be the use cases in the future of this one game. So you can see right here, we have got big plan for micropairs. We are not stopping our initial NFT releases or our epic P2E games. Instead, we are working tirelessly to create an entire micropairs ecosystem and expand into the metaverse and beyond. Protocols will be live in 2022, so it means that there's a time to buy this one project. And after that, if you look to question for 2021, so they also done almost listing on CoinMarketCap, Pancake Swap listing, Pink Cell, public pre-sale certic audit, and P2E game testing. So they just want to clarify everything, but right now I just want to give some detail in 2022. Play to earn game launch. So this is a main important first event for this one game. Major CEX listing, and if you look to ongoing massive marketing page, and you can also study about that. And you can see they just want to this game is also on metaverse, but they just want to also go some improvement in metaverse. And after that, in 2022, you can see additional major CEX listing, and you can see also there's a different type of events for this one project. So if you want, so it is a very best and massive project for 2022, so you must be participating in that. And this is our team, and you can also study about the team. There is a team who are working on that. You can also study about this one history, and you can also join them in Telegram and as well as. But I want to give you some detail about this one. You must be join the social links of this one project, because you know, if you look to this one project, after that you will be able to get different type of rewards, airdrops, and as well as. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.